Coco, come back! Coco, why? I fed you, I gave you everything, why? Coco! Coco! Wow, you really gonna backdoor me, bro? I know it's you, Coco. I can see you through the mask. After everything I did for you, just make it quick. Surprise, I got a new dog, Granny. His name is Coco. Yo, he already likes you. Oh, wait, Granny! Coco, leave the cat alone, bruh. Too big to be playing with him. He gonna get hurt. Ah, hell nah. You gotta go. I just found a whole army of stray dogs. Hey, everybody, listen up. I had a dream that no human can own a dog. That being said, we attack at dawn.